What's up, everybody? My name is Anthony, aka Barry Groove, and welcome to Dance with VS Style's online street dance tutorial. Today, we're going to be learning a style called whacking, specifically overheads. Let's get started. A little history about whacking. Whacking was a dance style that was created in the 1970s in the LGBTQ community club scene by the black and brown folk. Yeah, so today we're going to be learning the style of whacking, but specifically the overheads. So what we're going to start with is, we're going to have our hands right here. This is going to be our center, our home, our safe place, yeah? So we want to have our hands nice, kind of close to our chest, and we want our hands to be kind of close. Yeah, from here, we're going to bring them over our head and bring them to the back, right, trying to go right in between those shoulder blades, yeah? And then we're gonna bring it right over. Now what we wanna do is we wanna have that rubber band effect. We wanna have that snap back. So when we go over, boom, it comes right back to our center, yeah? So let's just try it for an 8 count. Nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me face the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, facing the front. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if you notice, when my arms come up, my elbows also come up. So you kind of want to have them at this angle so that when it comes up, boom, boom, you're really using this part of your arm, yeah? So let's try it again one more time, a little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And make sure you're going over your head. You don't want to go next to your ears. You want to make sure that you can see your hands going over your head and coming right back. Yeah? Let's try it again, but let's face the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, facing the front. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's try with some music. With the music, we're gonna go nice and slow, but we're gonna pick up the speed a little bit. So we're gonna do it 2 8 counts facing the front, 2 8 counts facing the back, 2 8 counts facing the front. Yeah, let's try with some music. Shake those arms out. Now we are going to go a lot faster. We want to hit that tempo nice and hard, yeah? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try it again. We're gonna face the front and we're gonna pick up the speed. Ready? Let's shake our arms out and let's get ready for it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, that rubber band effect is really, really important because you really want that snap back so it comes back and you stay on beat. Yeah? Let's try one more time, facing the front, facing the back, facing the front, and then we're gonna try with some music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's face the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Facing the front, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool, awesome. Before we try with some music, we're gonna try 1 8 count facing the front, 1 8 count facing the back, 1 8 count facing the front one more time, and then right after that, I'm gonna freestyle a little bit, see where you can take the overheads and make it into something of your own. Yes? All right, let's go. Ready? for today. So, couple reminders. Make sure that you have your hands right here, and when you're getting ready to do that rack, those elbows come up nice and high, and then you always have that rubber band effect. Boom, 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 boom. Thank you again so much for dancing with me today. If you like what you saw and you want more information about Versatile, you go ahead and subscribe and leave a comment. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram at VersatileLA. And if you want to know more about me, you can follow me on Instagram at berrygroove_92. Thank y'all. Peace.